Good morning, happy Sunday. So today I'm going on a little adventure. I am walking to the Porto Cathedral. I'm wanting to visit there for a while, so I'm taking y'all along with me. So it's not going to be a whole lot of talking on this video. There's a little fair going on. Let me turn it around so you can see it. See that? There's a little Sunday fair going on in the square where they're selling stuff. But we're not stopping there today. Oh, is it taking me down this road? Looks like I can go a couple of ways here. But you guys see the fair? It's a Sunday fair going on. Alright. I see the tourist groups are out here early. I think I'm going up that way, but I'm just crossing at the crosswalk. See, it's a beautiful day today. Oh no, this is right. No, this isn't right. Well, I guess I could go this way. Which way is it taking me? Similar walk. Well, you know what? Yeah, I'm gonna go this way. So I hope you enjoy the walk. It's Sunday morning. Not a whole lot of people out yet. Oh, I gotta get away from this tourist group. It's a popular outdoor restaurant. Okay, so I'm going straight down this hill. Thing is, I'm gonna have to come back up it to go home, so. So just giving you guys a taste of Porto this morning, Sunday morning, almost 10 a.m. And I'm just showing you guys around the city. Oh, look at this street. I'm gonna turn it around. All right. Okay, so I'm supposed to keep on going straight down here. Look at that street. Oh. Is that the cathedral? You guys see that? I think that might, well, that's a pretty beautiful church. See that peak way up there? I don't know if you can see that. Let me see if I can get that on a picture. All right, y'all, I'm trying to let me get in front of these people. Oops. That's beautiful. That's pretty. Okay. Where's my navigation? Did I lose it? Okay, it's still telling me to, I think I turned down here. I need to put my sun hat on. The sun is out. Trying to think, where do I turn? Do I go down here? Go down here and then I turn. Ooh, I gotta get my sun hat. Yeah, I make a right down here. The sun is out here, y'all. Feels good though. It is nice and bright. There's a lot of construction in Porto. Let me show you the city hall. I don't know if you can see it from here, but we got to go down that way. But let's see if I can show you it up there. See that building right up there? All the way up. That building with the like a blue, like a light blue top, the steep, that's City Hall up there. All right. See how they got construction going on? They're building a new metro line. We got turned down here. Giving you a look at the area. Go left or right. I'm thinking I go left because the train station is over there. Yeah. Oops. Look at that. That's pretty. Even though it's construction, but it's still beautiful. All right, so that building all the way down there is City Hall. This is a Intercontinental Hotel that we're passing. Oh, goodness gracious. I bet you everybody going to the cathedral. This is like tourist central area here. See all these folks. Looks like I have to go up that hill. Hopefully these people are walking across the bridge and not going to the cathedral. Probably should have got it here right at 9 o'clock. It's too busy. I might just turn around. Because I live here. I don't need to go today. Oh, wait a minute. Am I supposed to go straight? Or am I supposed to go that way? These people, y'all. Okay, here is a cathedral, but I saw a big tour bus just come. So I might come back another day, be here when they open. Yeah, I might come back and there's a long line to get in. I will see. Come back when they open. Yeah, it looks way too busy.
It's a beautiful town. Everyone by bicycle walk. There's the river around. All these things like never found on the Swiss floor. You know, there's a satellite of the fountain. So what then do everyone explore all the coffee shops? You know, here long way for us to recover the metal, but really expensive for these
Just the line to get in. Or the line is not that long. Where do you get your ticket from? I don't know. I don't know where you get your ticket from. Look at all these people. They're all leaving, which is good. My goodness gracious. So all these people are leaving. The line is not that long. Not sure where you go to get a ticket. I might go inside since I'm here. Yeah, since I'm here, it looks like those tour people are leaving. So this is nice. Alright, so here I am. Hair is probably a mess because I had a hat on. But oh, it's a beautiful day out here. I think I'm gonna try to go in the cathedral since I'm here and the line is not that long. So let's see if I can figure out where to get tickets so I can take you guys inside. That's where we're heading. Hello, hello, hello. I am back home from my adventure out this morning. And we're going to stop this video here just to let you know what's going on. I'm doing a challenge for the end of the year where I'm going to be posting multiple videos during the week, not just once a week, so multiple videos. So I am breaking up this video into about maybe 3 videos. So the first video that you just watched is just to give you a look at the area around Porto, so you can see more of Porto. And then the next part video to this series will be actually inside the Porto Cathedral. And then the third video to end out this series will be me walking home, so you can see some other part of Porto. All right, so hope you've enjoyed this. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. And if you are wanting a little more hand-holding, a little more support, if you are still overwhelmed and confused about moving abroad or reinventing your life, you have a couple of options. You can join my community, Reclaim Your Life community. Or if you want to say, no, Mary, I don't really want to join a community, I would like to get some one-on-one time with you, then that's available also. You can book a clarity call to get some one-on-one time. So the links will be in the description and also pinned in the comments. So I hope you've enjoyed this stroll through Porto to the Porto Cathedral. We will be going inside on the next video. Make sure you turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Have a fantastic day.